might be that you hate something and it ends up being the best thing that's ever happened to you. Now here, 𝗖𝗎𝗞𝗘 meets his future father-in-law. And it might not always end up that amazing, but at the end of the day, how amazing is the affair of the believer? The Prophet ﷺ said, because anything that happens to him, he's always good, because it's such a liberating experience to submit yourself to the decree of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, realizing that sometimes things aren't going to go the way that you planned, and that's better for you. And so the Prophet ﷺ told us never to say, if this would have happened, or if I would have done that, because those open the doors of shaitan, because then you start thinking things would have been different. But at the end of the day, Allah prepares you for amazing things, especially when you're doing good things for people. And see, those are the things that can actually even change the decree of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Prophet ﷺ said, du'a, supplication and good deeds can actually avert bad decree, bad qadr. And what that means is that when you're in the state of helping people and doing good things for people and doing things right, and then apparent misfortunes happen, you have to realize at that point you're only seeing a pixel of the full picture that only Allah sees, and Allah's planning is perfect, and your understanding of that planning is what's flawed. And you submit yourself to that, knowing that it's all going to be okay, and that as long as you're in the cause of your brother, you know that Allah is going to be in your cause as well, and you never know who or what Allah is saving you for.